Hi guys, so here I'm going to show you some different green color studs. Okay. So what I'm doing for this will be this part, which is one stud is going to be come like this, and one stud will come like this. Okay. So for this, what I have done, I have already made some pieces. It's a cloth canvas. Okay, it's a cloth canvas. But I did the round, small round. Okay, like this. It will come like this. Okay, so small round, and also one is bigger round. Make this round. After that, we will make the studs. It is okay. So what I'm doing now, for this we will do later. Let me complete the smaller one. Okay, and also I need some stud base. Okay, these are the stud base. For each we need two, right? This is one, this is two, this is one, and also this. Okay, so two studs I have taken. Let me keep aside the studs because it's not over, right? So let me complete this. So for this, what I'm doing, I need a bigger kundan. Okay, this is the bigger kundan, and also I need stone chain. Here, using with this two, what I'm doing, I'm also using the fabric glue. Okay, fabric fabric glue. So now I'll spread with my hand. Otherwise, we also can keep like this, keeping this kundan inside just the center part. Okay, on this canvas. So what happens? Just around the complete fabric glue has been outside, right? So now what I'm doing, I need to attach this stone chain. Also need to maintain that it should not be rolled out because stone has to be seen properly. So trying to adjust this. Okay. Let me do it. See how beautiful it is. Dry properly. You can check this also. So just okay. So after some time you can remove this what do you say, canvas also. Okay, so what I will do, I'm trying my best. It should not be that is a cloth actually, and we also have gum outside. Try to keep adjusting. Okay, let's say it on the cloth. Okay, it has to be moved properly, otherwise it will be stick to the base part. Okay, so here stud is going to be ready now. We'll do the another stud here. So here what I'm doing, I'll keep all the kundans here. For the middle part I will use the round kundan, and the remaining they are the drop shape kundans. Okay. Have the toothpicks also good. Otherwise any stick. So which is not easy because reading is already completed, so I use that. So now what I'm doing here, part, second part, third part. Okay. I'm just applying glue. So here. The first part is like this. Another part also I will keep exactly to the opposite part. Okay. Okay. It gives you a flower look, so be very careful while you are doing this. Give some adjustments. So okay. Okay, so now the light adjustments I have to do. Okay, because it's a cloth, right? So I'm also keeping here this one. So now two struts are ready. Once it get dried, now you need to trim the remaining part, which is surroundings. Just like this, you need to trim it. The back side how it is showing, the same you need to trim it. Okay, so now what I'm doing, for this we have to attach the stud. Right, these are the silver studs. Okay, silver color studs. What you need to do, apply to make it something stiff. You can apply again another part, extra part of the canvas. Okay, it's not mandatory, but still if you want you can. Okay, so this is the canvas, cloth canvas. Okay, this is the cloth canvas. It will be give you a little bit of stiffness. Okay, these are stiff, see here. So now you can take a smaller piece of this. Okay, very smaller piece. For two, what I am taking, very smaller piece. I am also cutting this too. Remove these parts too. Okay, now insert this like this, just press it. Okay, now what I am doing, I'll make some gum here. I'm applying little bit larger because it has the silver stud also, right? Now once I inserted this on the top, now I'll apply like this. And I'm keep trying to press it. They don't even understand how it came, but it will give you a little bit of stiffness, and also the stud will not be shown outside. Stud base and stud also will give you a very proper look. Okay, once it get dried, remove the extra pieces, trim it. Okay, same doing the another stud also. See how beautiful it is, right? I love it. So now taking the another stud making. Okay, so here also I took this. Let me see whether it is coming outside. If it is coming outside, let me give you some little bit of trimness over there. I'm shortening this keeping round for this sharp edges. Okay, now I will try to push this. Okay, wow, 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 super man. Now I'll keep some more extra. Stud is ready. Okay, so once get dried the both, you can try it like this. Okay, your studs will be ready. Thank you so much, guys. If anybody are watching first time my channel, please do subscribe. You will get new unique ideas over there. Okay.